Summation of an arithmetic series. In this problem, we are going to find the summation of this arithmetic series. And we are given 8i plus 10, and I starts at 8 and goes all the way up to 82. Step 1. Identify the first term, number of terms, and difference. So the first term, we're going to have to substitute in 8 for I, and that will get us 74, and we'll use the variable a for the first term. Then the number of terms is 75 because from I equals to 8 to 82, if we take the difference and add 1 to that, we're going to get 75 terms altogether. Then the difference, so from one term to the other, the difference is going to be 8. So therefore, the D is going to be our difference, and that's going to represent 8. Then since this is an arithmetic series, we simply substitute our values into this formula to find the summation of the arithmetic series. For A, I'm going to substitute in 74, for N 75, and D 8, and N is 75 here. Then we evaluate, and that's going to get us 27,750. For a summation of a geometric series, we have a sample problem here, and I is going to be the exponential value, and I starts at 4, and we're going to evaluate this summation. Step 1. We are going to identify the first term, so we substitute 4 in for I, and that gets us to 256, and we're going to use a as the variable for the first term. Then the number of terms is going to be I equals 4 all the way to 6. So we subtract that and add 1. So we're going to get 3 terms altogether, for I representing 4, 5, and 6. Then the common ratio is going to be negative 4 because I is the exponent of the base of negative 4, and therefore that is our common ratio. Because to get from one number to the next, we're multiplying negative 4. Step 2. For a geometric series, we would use this formula, and we're going to substitute in our values. So for R, we're going to substitute in negative 4. For A, 256, and N, 3. Then we evaluate, and we're going to get 3,328. And this completes our problem.